Hello bachon, let's read the question. The question says, what is the wavelength associated with the electrons traveling at 1,000th the speed of light? तो आइए इसका की कॉन्सेप्ट देखते हैं. तो हमारा यहाँ पे की कॉन्सेप्ट होगा डी ब्रोगली वेवलेंथ. डी ब्रोगली वेवलेंथ इज लैम्डा इज इक्वल टू h upon m into v, where lambda is the wavelength associated with the object or particle, and h is Planck's constant, m is the mass of particle or object, v is the velocity. Now according to question, we have given that यहाँ पे h की वैल्यू लिख लेते हैं. h is nothing but Planck's constant, and its value is 6.6 into 10 raised to power minus 34 joule second. Now mass of electron is, we know that mass of electron is 9.1 into 10 raised to power minus 31 kilograms. Now velocity of light is 3 into 10 raised to power 8 meter per second. Now we have given that wavelength associated with the electron traveling at 1000 the speed of light. हमें बोला गया है कि वो जो इलेक्ट्रॉन है वो लाइट की स्पीड के 1000 ट्रेवल कर रहा है, यानी इसको हम 1000 से डिवाइड कर देंगे. सो वेलोसिटी ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन comes out to be equal to 3 into 10 raised to power 8 divided by 1000 meter per second, that is equal to 3 into 10 raised to power 5 मीटर पर सेकेंड. नाउ अगर हम यहाँ पे वैल्यूज पुट करते हैं, वी वुड गेट लैम्डा इक्वल टू 6.6 into 10 raised to power minus 34 divided by here mass of electron, that is 9.1 into 10 raised to power minus 31 multiplied by velocity, that is equal to 3 into 10 raised to power 5, and this value comes out to be equal to 2.43 into 10 raised to power इस 5 को हम रेज टू पावर में लिख लेते हैं, तो ये यहाँ पे 10 रेज टू पावर 5 है. ओके, नाउ इसके बाद अगर हम इसको सॉल्व करते हैं तो -31, तो यहाँ पे बचेगा -3, और यहाँ पे 5 को ऊपर लेके जाएंगे तो -8. वेवलेंथ ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन, लैम्डा ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन would be equal to 2.43 into 10 raised to power minus 8 meter. So hope you understand the concept well. Best of luck.